What's going on, guys? It's Gamer Creed. As you can see, I'm back. It's been a long time, I know. I am really bad at uploading, but to be honest with you, I've got excuses this time. I say every time that there's something stupid that I've done. This time I actually have excuses for not uploading. Now, before we start today's video, this video is going to be separated into two parts. The first part is talking about something which needs to be spoken about, and the second part is going to be about my channel, about my life, what's going on, like why the fuck am I not uploading. I'm sorry for the inactivity and all this sort of thing. I tried streaming, it didn't work, never again. But before we go on to talking about the channel and all of the things that I've got coming up, I just want to talk about the elephant in the room, and I don't mean me. As you guys probably know, there is currently a bit of a pandemic going on. I don't know why I did that, it's what it's called. Now, I know YouTube get picky whenever you say the name of this thing, but because I'm not monetized, I'm going to talk about it. COVID-19, or the coronavirus, has been spreading like wildfire over the past few months. The UK is currently in lockdown. I want that lockdown. If you go outside, you'll get put down. So if you guys do not know, obviously the UK is currently in lockdown. It's not a good little situation. Because of this, I am currently at home. I'm doing work from home. My college course got completely suspended, so I'm being marked off previous work. It's not ideal, but at the same time, what can you do in these situations? And the reason I'm starting this video like I am is because I just wanted to talk about the importance of staying home, all of that sort of thing. I know you hear it everywhere. I know you hear it all over the news. Please, right, I'm asking you now, stay at home. Like, for fuck's sake, stay home. I'm not zooming in on my face too much. I look like a penis today. Literally, I'm trying to make this as serious as possible, and there I am talking about the way I look. Like, I need to stop. I don't mind if you take me seriously, let's be honest. Coronavirus can be spread really quickly if you go outside. You obviously, if you go outside and you're in contact with somebody who has the coronavirus, you have it, and going outside and continuing doing your daily chores and all of this sort of thing can actually spread the virus. Now, you may be sat there, you know, 16-year-old boy eating your crisps on the sofa. You may be thinking, well, I can't get it. I'm healthy. Going outside and doing this can actually spread this virus to other people, like elderly people who probably can't survive it. So the best thing to do right now, and I think I agree, I think I speak for everybody else, right? Stay at home. Just stay at home. Staying at home will mean the virus will basically be prevented from spreading. The only time I really go out now, right, is to do a run. And Boris said we're allowed one exercise a day, so that's probably the best thing to do. Like I said, I'm not the best at these important sitting down talking videos. I just ramble and it's not very good. If I can say one thing to you, right, please, for the love of God, stay at home, wash your hands, protect everyone from this virus. I see a lot of people when I'm out on my runs in groups of, I don't know, 5 or 6, constantly out. Like, why are you out? Stay indoors. It baffles me. Because of this, obviously, it's going to mean that the more people that go out, the more people that continue to not do what the government said, we're probably going to be in lockdown for a lot longer. And I know a lot of people, including myself, would love to have a summer holiday, but at the moment, the most important thing is making sure that the people, the elderly, people with asthma and all of these sort of things is safe from this virus. So if I can say one thing to you, and you don't need to listen to me, you don't have to do it for me, right? Do it for your nan, do it for Maureen down the street. Just stay at home. Like, seriously, stay at home. The more people we can get staying home, the more people that, you know, go by this, the quicker this will stop. That wasn't as deep as I thought it was gonna get, but I think the point is, it's been said. There's a lot of YouTubers and people that have been constantly saying the same thing. I'm gonna leave a link down below to a page about the coronavirus, obviously what to do, what not to do. If you have symptoms, there'll be stuff down there that'll tell you what to do. Yeah, now that's out the way, I think I need to start by talking about what's gonna happen with this channel and what I'm planning to do. So I'll start off by explaining what I was originally going to do for this channel. I had so many ideas. Like, I generally was so excited for this year. Oh my god, it was going to be so fun. Okay, obviously I can't help the fact that this has all happened. No one can. What I was going to do was I was going to wait till the summer and just grind the fuck out of this channel. I was going to make loads of videos with friends. I've got a whole notes page on my phone which is literally just video ideas. I had so many. It was going to be one of the best summers for my channel ever. And because of everything that's happened over the past few months, I've had to put all that on hold. Because of college and because obviously I am no longer doing my course, I have a lot of free time. I have a lot of free time to do videos and all sorts of things. Go down into the comment section down below and give me some ideas, give me some things to do, because it would really help. I want to do some like trick shots and stuff at home, maybe some quarantine vlogs, stuff like that. Potentially do some gaming videos as well. I'll have to get my Elgato back out and all that sort of thing. Now in terms of video ideas, I have quite a few that I can probably do at home. It's just obviously I need to wait. A lot of these videos require a good editing software, and that comes on to my next point. Equipment for YouTube. I have been using my phone for videos for the longest time. Now as you can see, my phone's in my hand. Whoa. That's right, I've got a new camera. I'm using a camera. Emma Creed using a camera for a video is like, I don't know, it's like Joe Linton scoring for Newcastle. It's unheard of. Now I know a lot of people are probably wondering like what sort of camera I have, all of that sort of thing. I'm currently using the Canon M100, which is a little mirrorless camera. Like I said, I'm not getting anything too expensive. I'm not gonna get anything that is really expensive, or I've never actually used the camera, so it's obviously a first for me. Got a 15 to 45mm lens for anyone that gives a shit. Again, it's just a little camera with a little flip screen. Obviously I can't plug a mic into it or anything like that. I was going to do an unboxing for it, but I really can't be bothered. I just thought that because my phone, the microphone just doesn't work now. Like, it's so muffled. It's fine on Snapchat, it just doesn't work on my phone. I think it's just so buggered that I'm not going to use it anymore. I thought a camera would be the best investment. I managed to pick this camera up from Jessop's for about £250. Not a bad little price for a camera that is a couple of years old. The idea with this was that I was going to start making a lot better content. I was going to do football videos. I was going to buy a GoPro and put it up in the goal when we do football videos. I was going to make a lot of content. Obviously at the moment it's not really necessary. I can't do that at all. Also with obviously every year I do the Gamer Creed holiday vlogs. I was going to buy a camera. I was going to go in the sea. I was going to do so much stuff with like a GoPro. It was going to be cool. It was generally going to be cool, but obviously my holiday has been completely fucked, which is unfortunate really, because I was really looking forward. We were going to go abroad. We were going to go to Spain. That wouldn't have ended well, would it? We were planning on going to either Spain or Prague. Prague looks pretty cool. Obviously Spain, somewhere like Marbella, I'm not 100% sure where, but we were going to go somewhere and it was going to be like a nice little holiday that week. Obviously the last time I've been abroad was about 4 years ago. Hopefully next year I'll be able to do that, and a lot of other things that I've got planned. I had a stadium tour which I've got to use up by August. I won't say which team it is because that'll give away the entire video, but it's a Premier League team, I'll give you that. Basically all I'm trying to say is that I have a lot planned for this channel, but obviously because of the circumstances I can't really go out, record videos and all of this sort of thing. So that's why I ask you guys to help me, give me some ideas. Continuing with the equipment, right, I finally got lights. Now I'm not using them because I can't be fucked to set them up. I can't be bothered to set them up again because they take ages, but I've got some softbox lights that I'm going to put either side of me to make the quality so much better. I got this little tripod as well for, let me try and focus that. It just doesn't want to focus right. Brilliant, thanks very much. I still need to know how to use the camera properly before I do anything, but well, there we go. I've got this tripod, I've got some softbox lights, and I also got a bigger tripod coming as well, so I'm gonna have 2 tripods, 2 camera angles. I could use my phone for a second camera angle or like a time lapse or something like that. It's gonna be good. I'm really excited for all of this to go ahead, obviously when I am able to make videos. The next thing I'm gonna buy it's probably a new PC, which I'm currently saving up for. Obviously I can't go to work, I can't do any extra shifts, so I'm just getting what I'm given with the old Farb Relieve, is that what it's called? Something like that. Yeah, eventually I will get a new PC. I'll be able to use Premiere Pro to edit, which I'm using at college. Essentially I just want to improve the video quality for you guys as much as possible, because obviously I have not been the best YouTuber in terms of editing, in terms of camera equipment, all of that. I see YouTubers all the time that are like 16 years old, maybe even younger, that get given Canon 70Ds for nothing. Like, you're 13 years old and you have £1,000 camera. Like, you don't work for it because you can't get a job at that age. There's so many YouTubers that I want to make videos about, but obviously I just don't want to start beef, all of this bullshit. It's just not worth it. But I obviously the camera quality that I have at the minute works for me. I've got tripods and stuff that are going to be really good. for making the quality better, the lights and all that sort of thing. At the end of the day, all I'm saying is that I've worked for all of the stuff that I get. I'm grateful. I'm so happy that I'm able to go to work and obviously get all of this camera equipment and actually, you know, actually make videos, because I don't do this for money, right? I don't just do this for money. I don't do it because, oh, you get a paycheck at the end of the month. I do it because I fucking love videos. I love making videos. I love interacting with the audience. The channel is growing. Like, for the first time ever, the channel's actually growing, which is insane. I cannot wait to start making videos properly again. Obviously, the circumstances have fucked everything up for me this year. This was going to be the comeback year for Gamer Creed. I was going to try and hit like 2k subs this year or something like that. But unfortunately, because of the circumstances, I've said that so many times, have a drink every time I say that. Unfortunately, because of the circumstances, I'm unable to go out. I'm unable to do some of the video ideas that I was going to do. Let's just say this, if you have a video idea, comment it down below. I'll probably do it. I'll add it to my list of video ideas. Do I give away some spoilers or do I not? Because I'm kind of debating whether to give away some of the video ideas that I have. Okay, so a lot of them are literally just videos that obviously they're not necessarily amazing video ideas, but I've got stuff like obviously football videos, I've got some try not to laughs. Reacting to old videos is another one I really want to do because I found some gems. I have found some gems, ladies and gentlemen. They're horrific. Like, really bad. But yeah, obviously I've got a lot of video ideas to come, and I'm hoping that because I'm stuck inside, I don't really have to do work or anything, I'm able to do them. I'm just finishing my video off, Mum. Do one sec. What? Anyway guys, I'm rambling now, so I'm just gonna wrap this video up. If you guys have enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. Do you want to come say hi? Yeah. Got Ava here as well. She's enjoying herself.
I got tattoos on my face.
Yeah, we've got Post Malone in here now. Right, brilliant. Have a Gamer Creed, stay safe, wash your hands, stay indoors, all of that crap, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But until then, a peace out.
It's beans and burgers. It's beans and burgers.